it was the only festival run by film professionals. Although we used to get sponsorship, usually from corporate institutions. Over a period of time, we had very large corporate institutions supporting our festival. So I think we became a little lazy, and we thought that would go on forever. But once the contracts finished with them, then this year particularly, when we found that we had no sponsors, and so we had to really work very hard. And some of us, I would name for instance a few people like Anupama Chopra, Kiran Rao and people like that, they really worked very hard to get sponsorship of different kinds, and also from the film industry itself. So this year we have, when we talk about film professionals supporting this festival, they are not only running the festival, they are also supporting this festival financially. So it's in many ways a very happy turn of events, and we have finally managed to get this festival back on its feet. In terms of quality, it is excellent. In terms of size, it is a little small compared to what it used to be, because earlier we used to have the festival in South Bombay, Central Bombay, Northwest Bombay, Northeast Bombay, all that sort of thing. But now it is restricted to an area that is largely inhabited by film professionals. Thank you. जी वो दिखाने वाले हैं, वो डायरेक्टर्स चॉइस में आता है और बहुत साल बाद, because it's a film made in 1978 and Kunal Kapoor has been very helpful, and he restored the film, and Imtiaz Ali is presenting the film. Thank you.
जी मैं मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल को होस्ट कर रही हूँ। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, ऑनर्ड हूँ कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ। थोड़ा नर्वस भी हूँ क्योंकि ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला रिहर्सल करने के लिए, और ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल है। इट्स अ चांस फॉर अस टू वॉच इंडिपेंडेंट थॉट प्रोवोकिंग सिनेमा, and I really hope this survives for a very long time. Actually, I've got to go to London tomorrow for my own film premiere, Margarita with a Straw. तो मैं नहीं रह सकती हूँ, but there are a lot of films I wish I could see, especially Court and Killa, a Marathi film and a Marathi Hindi film, which are both supposed to be brilliant, and I'm very sad to be missing those. मैं वापस आ रही हूँ दिवाली के एक दिन पहले, और मेरी मम्मी भी होगी यहाँ पे, तो फैमिली के साथ कुछ करूँगी। I haven't made any plans, but we normally like to light a lot of diyas, not use so many firecrackers because it's noisy and polluting. So I think it'll be a quiet but beautiful Diwali. Just have a very happy Diwali and gift each other time.
बहुत खुशी, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी जो है वो इट्स एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट। आप सब लोगों को देख के, गेस्ट को देख के, इट रियली फील्स कि जो हमने इतना स्ट्रगल किया वो एक्चुअली सक्सेसफुल हुआ। देखिए, मैं सब फिल्में देखने के लिए इच्छुक हूँ, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मैं फील कर रहा हूँ कि ये फेस्टिवल 6 हफ्ते पहले मर चुका। ये फेस्टिवल था ही नहीं, ख़त्म हो गया था, और ये आप सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं और इतने गेस्ट आए हैं, इतना बड़ा फेस्टिवल हो रहा है, ये हमारे लिए इससे बड़ी खुशी की बात कोई नहीं। सी आई एक्चुअली ऑन द वोटिंग फ्रंट आई होप एंड प्रे that one party comes to power, whichever party, because I would hate to see 5 parties doing horse trading at the end of, I think that'll be very sad for Maharashtra and very sad for us. So I hope one party really becomes a majority. देखिए, परिंदा दिखाई जाएगी, उसकी तो एक्साइटमेंट है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट ये कि फेस्टिवल हो रहा है। ये आप समझ नहीं रही हैं, शायद समझ रहे हैं आप लोग या नहीं समझ रहे हैं कि ये फेस्टिवल होना कितनी बड़ी बात है। और इससे आपकी ये फेस्टिवल जो हुआ, अब इससे अगले साल इससे बेहतर होगा और बेहतर होगा, और हम मुंबई का जो फेस्टिवल है, आई होप कि वर्ल्ड मैप जो है फेस्टिवल्स का, उस पर हम इसको खड़ा कर सकते हैं। मेरी दिवाली तो आज ही है मामी का फेस्टिवल। दिवाली विश मेरी ये है कि जैसे मामी फेस्टिवल मरता हुआ जिंदा हुआ है, आप सबकी विशेष जो डिफ़िकल्ट विशेज़ हैं सबकी सब पूरी हों, जैसे ये हमारी पूरी हुई है। हैप्पी दिवाली एवरीबॉडी।
थैंक यू सर।
बेहद खुशी हो रही है। ये मुंबई हमारी सिनेमा का शहर है और फिल्म फेस्टिवल यहाँ होना बहुत ही ज़रूरी था और सबकी कोशिशों की वजह से ये इस साल हुई है और हमारी ये कोशिश रहेगी कि अगले साल हमें ये दिक्कतों का सामना ना करना पड़े और ये स्मूथली नेक्स्ट ईयर हो। लेकिन इस साल भी बहुत हम अच्छी तरह से करने वाले हैं। बहुत अच्छी फिल्म्स हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं बहुत फिल्में देखने वाली हूँ। Actually, Mami itself I have come to only in the last few years, but film festivals in general have nurtured my love for cinema since I was a student. In Delhi, where I studied, we had the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, and I remember, kind of slinking in even without a pass, trying to watch films, and the kind of cinema you get to watch, which is not just retrospectives, but a lot of contemporary cinema, really nurtures young filmmaking minds. I mean, it really opened my mind to what people were doing around the world and changed the kind of cinema I wanted to make. I mean, it really made me think that, oh, I can make anything I want, because otherwise in India we are so used to watching only one particular kind of film that, you sort of feel there's no option. So it's really important, and plus we are a city that loves cinema and we never really get to watch this kind of huge variety. It's a real treat, and I think Mumbaikas are going to love it. We usually have a Diwali party at home. So Diwali starts with, sort of cleaning the house and getting my son to light lamps, which he loves doing. Putting up Diwali decorations, taking out, our little Diwali decorations and putting them out. And on the 20th, whenever Diwali is, we usually have a party at home. So, and on other nights we visit other people. Of course, Amir is not in the country actually. Unfortunately, he can't. And he actually made enquiries whether he could send his vote by mail or if he could vote in advance. But there are no such options for civilians, so he can't cast his vote this year. Well, I think in Maharashtra we have multiple issues, and I find that parties generally try to cater to whatever one group or the other group is looking to hear. I think it would be really good if we could vote for people who have actually been doing real work and are looking at, working in many different areas, not just for certain sections. I'm hoping for more inclusive politics, more politics that deals with the problems of every Maharashtrian, not just, people in various pockets. मैंने ये फिल्म देखी नहीं है तो कंटेंट मुझे पता नहीं है, पर बात तो ये है कि ये ऑडियंस के ऊपर रहता है। अगर ऑडियंस देखने जाती है तो फिल्में टिकती हैं बॉक्स ऑफिस में, और फिर दोष कभी हम लोग डाल देते हैं कि स्टार नहीं है इसीलिए नहीं चली। कभी कभी फिल्म खुद अच्छी ना हो तो नहीं चल पाती, लेकिन बहुत सी फिल्में ऐसे हैं जो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से बहुत चल चुकी हैं, और इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है शिप ऑफ थीसियस, जो कि 6 हफ्ते चली विदाउट एनी स्टार्स। तो मुझे नहीं लगता है, मेरी उम्मीद ये है कि हम अच्छी फिल्में देखना चाहेंगे, ना सिर्फ स्टार ड्रिवन फिल्में। तो आई होप दैट्स द केस। जी, a very happy Diwali to all viewers everywhere, and I hope and pray that everybody has a happy, prosperous and not noisy, not smoky Diwali. Thank you.
I'm very excited because Mami was having a bit of trouble resurrecting this year, and I'm very glad it has managed to get through. I'm on the Mumbai Dimensions jury, so it's going to be exciting to see all our Indian filmmakers, all their short films, and I wish the festival all the best.
Terribly excited. I'm glad that Mami has happened, and it's not disappointing, and we are all supporting this. This is a festival that I've been going to since college, and I'm glad I'm here again. I hope to watch all movies here. बहुत टाइम लिया है मैंने डेफिनेटली, बट अभी लिख रही हूँ तो होपफुली सून। ये साइफाई और हॉरर तो नहीं होगी, तो ह्यूमन ड्रामा ही कुछ होगा। और ये दिवाली, हाँ, एक दिन छुट्टी लेके मगर मैं लिखूंगी, ताकि दैट इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। आई हैव टू फिनिश माई स्क्रिप्ट, सो या दिस दिवाली विल बी सम वर्क एंड सम प्ले। आई विश ऑल द व्यूअर्स अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी दिवाली। नहीं, मुझे लगता है इवन इन द स्टार ड्रिवन, इफ देयर इज अ स्टोरी, व्हाटएवर, इवन इफ इट्स कमर्शियल, इट्स धमाका एंड प्योर एंटरटेनमेंट, इट्स स्टिल द स्टोरी।
If the story is bakwas, it doesn't matter. We've all seen it. So, thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm happy to be receiving this beautiful award with humility and gratitude and thank you.
बहुत खुश हूँ कि मामी फेस्टिवल हो रहा है और बहुत खुश इसलिए हूँ कि इस बार मामी फेस्टिवल फिल्म देखने वालों की वजह से हो रहा है. Lots of films I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to all the French movies, the French Rivera and the Darden Brothers movies and Love at First Sight, Stratos. I'm looking for a lot of this whole Russian old movies that have come. Industry is coming together, and which is a very good sign. A whole lot of people have come together, they've become active, and they've realized that if we need this festival, we have to become much more active than we were.
Very excited actually, because this year in particular has been a year that the whole industry has gotten together to support Mami, and I think it's a tremendous achievement that the festival is happening in the first place, given all the issues that it had a few weeks ago, and very, very excited about it. It's a superb collection of world cinema, so I'm actually looking forward to all the movies that I can get a chance to watch. I'm hoping I get to watch as many as possible. She's shooting, unfortunately, so she's not in the country at this point. I'm really thrilled with the response to Heather. It's one of those movies that you get behind and support with all your might, hoping that people enjoy it and love it. And we're so happy that they feel the way we do about the film. Actually, that's not true. I think at the end of the day, Indian audience को good content पसंद होता है. And अगर बड़ी film हो या छोटी film, finally good content always shines. In Mumbai, what we all want to see: better roads, less air pollution, noise pollution, a happier environment. But I love Mumbai. Even if Mumbai was just as it is, it's not like one would ever think of ever living anywhere else. But as Mumbaiites, of course, you do feel that there are things that can improve in your city. Happy Diwali. Have a noiseless, beautiful, spectacular and film-filled Diwali.
I'm very pleased, I'm very proud, it's an honor, and it's a great pleasure to be here in Mumbai. To see the city and places where I will have the impression to be in Mumbai and not in the traffic, the tremendous traffic like everywhere else in Europe. I will have more to say when I will have seen some film, because I just arrived, so I still am in the expectation, and I want to be surprised. No, not the recent film though. I know the old films of Sajid Ray, who I admire very much.
बॉम्बे शहर में जहाँ हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, वहाँ पे फेस्टिवल ना हो, ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए. तो आई एम ग्लैड कि ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ने इस बार आके बाहर सारे लोग ने आके सपोर्ट किया और ये फेस्टिवल आज हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Very happy to be here.
We all got together and I personally donated some money, but many people came forward, and it was a wonderful feeling to have this for Mumbai. We can't lose festivals like this, and I'm very thrilled to be here.
इससे पहले भी मैं आ चुकी हूँ, and they were having it I think in Marriott a couple of years ago. लेकिन मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. आज का दिन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. इस साल स्पेसिफिकली हम सब के लिए गर्व की बात है कि मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल जो 16th फेस्टिवल है, 16वां फेस्टिवल है, अब भी जारी है. And it is really the film fraternity. It is members of cinema goers, cinema lovers, members of the media. I hear our audience, members of the audience, all responsible for helping us keep the flag of Mami Film Festival flying. And kudos to that. Congratulations to everybody and the organizers for keeping this going. Thank you. I'd just like to wish everybody happy Diwali in advance.
16 साल हो गए हैं फिल्म मुंबई फेस्टिवल को चलते हुए, और मैं इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का एक हिस्सा हूं. तो मुझे जब कहा गया तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी हियर, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड कि ये आज मेरे घर के करीब चंदन थिएटर में हो रहा है, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर इट.
बहुत खुशी है. पहले तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि इस साल फेस्टिवल नहीं होगा, बट आई थिंक पूरी हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री साथ आई है और उन्होंने ऐसा किया है कि फेस्टिवल होगा, डोनेशंस लिए, लोगों को कहा कि इट्स सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल फॉर आवर सिटी मुंबई, एंड इट्स सच अ ग्रेट प्लेस वेयर पीपल कैन कम एंड सी फिल्म्स ऑफ डिफरेंट फिल्म मेकर्स, अलग अलग शहरों के फिल्म, दे कैन गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय देम, शोकेस आवर ओन फिल्म्स. सो इट्स रियली अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल के किरण, अनुपमा मैम एंड ऑल ऑफ दीस पीपल रियली मेड दिस हैपन. मैं एक्चुअली अनफॉर्चुनेटली शूटिंग के लिए जा रहा हूँ जगह जासूस की. मैं 19 तारीख को निकल रहा हूँ, तो ये पहला साल होगा जो मैं फैमिली घर पे दिवाली नहीं मना रहा हूँ.
I make movies for theatre like Chandan,
but I'm very glad to be here when the Chandan is showing the world cinema. I'm a big fan of film festivals. I learn from the film festivals, the movies. I can see from all over the world. I understand their culture. The best part of the film festival is that our children in India can know the culture of those people. How do they react? How do they value? What are their values? What is the technique they use? What kind of cinema they make? So film festival is always healthy, and I wish that we make movies where we can win all the awards in Cannes, in Oscar, and we are trying our best. Thank you.
I think मामी ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ही स्पेशल फेस्टिवल है. मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा यादें जुड़ी हुई हैं मामी फेस्टिवल से, और मैं इस साल जूरी मेंबर भी हूँ, तो बहुत ही स्पेशल एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि मामी जब से मैं बॉम्बे आई हूँ तब से फेस्टिवल अटेंड कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज ऑनर कि मैं जूरी में हूँ, एंड आई होप टू वॉच सम ग्रेट फिल्म्स, not just from India, from Mumbai, but also from all over the world. Well, a lot of films. I mean, I am also shooting and I'm working right now, but Boyhood is top of the list. Today's film Serena is something I'm quite excited about, and there are quite a few. I think first of all I want to congratulate the entire team for managing to put this all together, and I think it's a great thing for Indian cinema. You know, हम हमेशा we talk about all the other international film festivals, and I hope that over the years we already are getting there, and I hope that over the years the Mumbai International Film Festival also becomes as big and as popular. That's what we're all working towards. I think Indian cinema is extremely popular globally, world over, and it'll be very interesting to have some of the other films from other languages, world cinema, international cinema, come down here, showcase their films. It's almost like a culture exchange of various different cultures. I haven't gone through the list. I'm not really aware of what the films, the ones that they're showcasing. But since Catherine Deneuve is here, I'd love to watch one of her films. I think that's the one that's going on tonight. Happy New Year. That's the only thing on all our minds right now. I think we're all busy promoting the film. Like I said, the reason I've just come is because all the media's over there, and I've come here, and now you guys are here. I think for us this Diwali is going to be Happy New Year. वैसे भी बहुत सारे लोग Happy New Year ही मनाते हैं दिवाली के दिन, तो इस बार हम भी मनाएंगे Happy New Year दिवाली के दिन. हर साल तो मैं उनको मिस करती हूँ, बिकॉज जैसे आप जानते हैं मैं यहाँ अकेली रहती हूँ, वो बेंगलोर में रहते हैं, एंड दिवाली हमारे लिए मेन फेस्टिवल है एज अ फैमिली. पर मैं कोशिश करूँगी, इवन इफ इट्स हाफ अ डे, एक दिन के लिए शायद मैं जाके वापस आऊँगी. मोस्ट डेफिनेटली आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आर प्लानिंग टू. ऑब्वियसली हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी जो है, देयर विल बी डिफरेंट प्लेसेस वेयर वील गो, बट वील डेफिनेटली ट्राई. आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी नर्वस बिकॉज other than the fact that, I mean, there's two things to it. One is I've never done a master class before. I'm doing this only for Anu, and the fact that it's with Miss Deneuve. I think I'm going to keep quiet. I think it'll be a master class for me only. I think I'll get to learn a lot from her by just listening to her. I think I'm just looking at the end result, the fact that sports is being uplifted in whatever form, whether it's glamorous or otherwise. And मैं हमेशा अपील करती हूँ even to the media. It's very important for all of us also to identify champions at a very young age, to know of their achievements, and then to be able to report that or write about it so that we make people aware. I think Mary Kom is a classic case. I knew of Mary Kom 4-5 years ago, but I think a lot of us know of her today only because of the film that has been made. You know, so I think it's very important that we write about stars, and through these champions, I think then the sport goes on to become popular. For example, badminton became popular after my father became a champion. So I think it's very important that we recognize talent at a very young age, the athletes and their achievements, write about it, encourage them, and through that, you know, make a sport popular. For me, my contribution to sports is by being part of the Olympic Gold Quest. Recently, we have Saif on board as well, and he's also agreed to come on board and support the organization. From a business point of view, if you're asking me if I'm going to own a team, no, because I don't understand business and I don't get that part of it. As someone to promote and you know, bring awareness to sports and create that kind of excitement, I'm more than happy to do that. My voice is coming back. But is it taking a health on my toll? No, not at all. I think we're having a great time. When all of you are interviewing us, you'll see the kind of energy that we have, and we're so closely knit, and we've become like one family. And I think what we're going to miss the most
In fact, I think why we're promoting more and more so that we can all be with each other. And the day the film releases, I think we're going to miss each other the most. And I think the whole idea is to kind of create awareness. I think that is the one thing that is lacking. I think the reason why we're all here today and all the media is here today is to create awareness about the Mami Film Festival, and through that awareness, and like I said, I think it's very important that we showcase some of our best films and make that awareness also global. So we have a lot of people from across the world also bring their different films. Absolutely, I think for me as an actor of Indian cinema, I don't categorize as Hindi films. I think Hindi film is part of the larger regional cinema that we make. Hindi happens to be the national language, which is why most of our films are made in Hindi. Having said that, I think Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, there's Bengali cinema, there's Gujarati cinema, there's so many. I think as far as that is concerned, I've said what I've had to say and we should all move on with our lives. I haven't seen him. I don't know what that looks like. I think they've started shooting a few days ago. But I only joined them next year. I only joined them in the beginning of next year. So until then I won't know. I think content is king, and at the end of the day, whether it's a star or whether it's say newcomers, I think what really survives the test of time and box office and everything else is a good script and a story that's told well, most importantly. इसके बारे में शाहरुख की बात करेंगे. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. मेरे साथ तो नहीं. He is not my co-star in the movie, but इसके बारे में शाहरुख बात करेंगे.
Shed light on reality as is. I'd just like to say kudos to the entire team, Anu of course, and everybody with you. I wondered why I was being given the honor. I knew what was going on. I read about it. I knew what it took. I'd heard about it to keep the flag of Mami flying. But today, while I'm in this room and I'm experiencing the energy and the effort and the excitement and the sincerity, the belief, the conviction in keeping the festival going, I kind of I'm going to refer to a slightly touchy, sensitive thing, but I get it. I get a powerhouse pulling away from you and then actually falling back on everybody who believes in you and helps keep the flag flying. I get that completely, and you all know what I'm talking about. So I see the relevance of me standing here. I take such pride. And I believe this is such a privilege and an honor, and this makes it so personal for me to be standing here declaring the 16th Mami Festival open. God bless and much love, and congratulations to everybody who set the flag flying. God bless.
Well, life achievement. I have the impression you have to leave, which I'm not still not ready to do yet. It's a great honor. I'm very, very pleased and very touched by this honor given to me tonight. And it's really nice as France is as well, so I think it's a very nice thing that we're here with you tonight. And for people who love cinema, it's really a pleasure to be here tonight. Thank you very much.
मुझे भी एक्चुअली कहा गया था टीवी में अपना भी कुछ हिस्सा दिखाने के लिए, मतलब कुछ बोलने के लिए, लेकिन मैंने कहा मैं आप लोगों के सामने कहूँगा. और मैं एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुनाना चाहता हूँ. कुछ साल पहले की बात है. मैं एक बहुत बड़ी हीरोइन के साथ काम कर रहा था और सरोज जी वहाँ थी जो हमारे कोरियोग्राफर हैं. तो वो हीरोइन ने आके कहा कि ये गाना ना मैं हेरा जी जैसा करना चाहती हूँ. तो सरोज जी ने मेरी तरफ देखा, मैंने उनकी तरफ देखा, और सिर्फ उन्होंने कहा लेकिन रिहर्सल की जरूरत होगी. हाँ तो मैं करूंगी ना, मेरे पास एक दिन है. बेटे 10 साल चाहिए, 10 साल चाहिए रिहर्सल चाहिए. And I'm so proud. I'm so proud of you. आइए अब आपका
इससे मैं बहुत डरती हूँ. I just can't tell, believe it or not. Heaven speak, heaven leave, stage Akshay Kumar. That was really very well. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, all the beautiful, what should I say now? Done again. I'm privileged to be here and this beautiful prestige award that I've got. The fraternity, I'm so happy to be here again. Coming all the way from Burma, Rangoon, at the age of 4 and starting my career at the age of 13. I've come a long, long, long way. Life Achievement Award. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.